CoinZoom Exchange takes every measure to make your account and data as secure as possible. However, we do recommend using two-factor authentication, which forces typing in confirmation codes before making selected actions. You will need to download Google Authenticator, Authy, or 1Password on your iPhone before setting up 2FA. To connect your CoinZoom account to your authenticator, you will be prompted to copy the key above the barcode. This key is extremely important to save somewhere secure in case you lose your 2FA device. Moving to your Authenticator app, there's an addition symbol in the top right-hand corner. From there, select the Manual Entry option. Carefully add your email used to sign in with CoinZoom, and then paste your key below. This will immediately generate a one-time password that you can copy and paste into your account, activating your two-factor authentication protection. Enter your credentials and you will verify your account using your Authenticator app once more. You are now secured with 2FA encryption and ready to trade securely.